Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to 8th class English. I am Reshma Sultana. Before starting my lesson, I want to ask you some questions. Okay, say me what is mean by family? How many compulsory everyone answer is family means there are a lot of members include father, mother, brother, sister, grandfather, grandmother, etc. Okay. uh, Second question is who will cook in your family? Absolutely everyone answer is my mother. Today we are going to learn a poem about my mother who was written by Rabindranath Tagore. We already learned in the previous lesson that about the history of Rabindranath Tagore. Today we are going to see the poem My Mother. Okay, see here. Okay, see here what is the first stanza of the poem My Mother is. The poet is saying that I cannot remember my mother. What it means? The poet cannot remember his mother. It means that he has no image of his mother in his mind. Okay, only sometime in the midst of my play. Mist means, what is the meaning of mist? In the, see here, mist means in the middle of something. In the middle of something, with what is meant by something here? Something is nothing but play. Okay, when he remember his mother at the time of play, in the middle of play, he remember his mother. A tune seems to hover over my playthings. See, tune means some sound. Seems to hover over my playthings. Playthings means the things from which we play. Okay, what is mean by hover? Anyone knows? Okay, see here, the meaning hover means remain in the air. While playing from the things, he also listen the tune of his mother, which is remain in the air. Okay, okay. Next line is the tune of something, the tune of some song that she used. The tune, see here, everyone knows that before, while we are small child, our mother used to sing a song to make us sleep. Okay, the tune of some song that she used to hum while rocking my cradle. See here, hum is nothing but the sound. What is hum? We will say like that, na, that sound while rocking my cradle. See here, rocking means moving, cradle means that is nothing but jhula, we will say in Hindi. Okay, rocking means moving forward and backward. Okay, see here I am showing the meanings of hum. What is meant by hum? Hum is a sound made by producing a wordless tone with the mouth closed. By closing our mouth, we said like that, na, that is the meaning of hum. And rocking means the action of moving the cradle where forward and backward, that is called rocking. Already I said, because and I am showing no meaning. See here, what is first stanza? I think everyone understood. Again I am repeating. See here, I cannot remember my mother. Only sometime in the midst of my play, a tune seems to hover over my playthings. The tune of some song that she used to hum while rocking my cradle. It means that poet doesn't remember his mother only at the time of play. While playing the things, while playing with the things, he remember the sound, the tune of his mother while she used while rocking his cradle. Okay, this is the first stanza. Now I am going to explain the second stanza, that is I cannot remember my mother. Poet was cannot remember his mother, but when in the early autumn morning. But early in the morning means autumn means the season after summer and before winter. It means that there is no lot of hot is there, because the season is autumn means it is a nice season. Okay, it is not so hot, not so cold. Okay, that is the season. Morning, every time morning we will see now how the season, how the monsoon is like that. Okay, the season, autumn season. The smell of the shuli flowers. See here, shuli flowers means a small white flower that bloom in the autumn. We will see some flowers are some flowers are bloom in autumn. Some flowers are flying in the air. No, that is called shuli flowers. Floats in the air. The scent of the morning service in the temple comes to me as the scent of my mother. Morning time temple, the sound of temple bells are came. No, it's like that only. The sound, it comes to me as the scent of my mother. The mother scent, how it comes like that. The temple morning services also came like that. Poet is saying. Okay, the sound of temple, he relates to, the sound of temple relates to the scent of his mother. Okay, see here in this stanza I said you two meanings. I am showing on board once again. See here, autumn. Autumn means the season after summer and before winter. Okay, again here see, shuli means, shuli flowers means if small white flowers bloom in the autumn. Okay, in the next second stanza what the poet said is that I cannot remember my mother, but when in the early autumn morning the smell of the shuli flowers floats in the air, the scent of the morning services in the temple comes to me as the scent of my mother. What the poet is saying, that I cannot remember my mother, but in the early morning when the flowers are floating in the air, when the sound of the temple is like the scent of his mother. Okay, now we are going to third stanza. See here, I cannot remember my mother. What again the poet is saying, that I cannot remember his mother only when from a bedroom window I send my eyes into the blue of the distant sky. See here picture how the poet is seeing from the window. It is the time, it is the night time. The poet is seeing from the window. The sky is looking like his mother's gaze. What mother, see here, I feel that the stillness of my mother's gaze on my face has spread all over the sky. How it is, see what is the meaning of distant sky. See once meaning. Distance means far away in space. And what is meant by gaze? Look steadily and intense look. Looking steadily means seeing in the looking straight forward. Okay, on the sky. See here, what the poet is saying here, eyes into the blue of the distant sky, I feel that the stillness of my mother's gaze. He is thinking that in the sky his mother is present. His mother's stillness is there. Okay, his mother presence is there. On my face has spread all over the sky. It is spread to the all over the sky. What in the third stanza, see here once again I am saying, in the third stanza what the poet is saying here, I cannot remember my mother only when from my bedroom window I send my eyes into the blue of the distant sky. I feel that the stillness of my mother gaze on my face has spread all over the sky. Even though he doesn't remember his mother, when he see at the night time, when he see out of the window to the distant sky, means it is far away from him. When he was seeing, he is looking his mother's gaze, and it is completely spread all over the sky. Okay, this is the three stanzas of the poem My Mother. Go through this, but see one again and again what I explained, then only you can understood, and go through all the glossaries, then only you can understood the complete lesson. And I am giving you one assignment, that we all love our mother. Yes, we all love our mother. We love her because of certain qualities. Every mother has qualities, and every child like her mother. So what again, next question is, think and write about her qualities. Think what qualities are present in your mother, write in your own words and send us. Okay, thank you.